that boss, that beastie boss, that one that makes you feel inferior, the one that takes your ideas, the one that you question why they are in that role, the one that makes you question your own confidence. You had that boss? I've had that beastie boss, and a lot of my clients have had that as well. I'm Ashley Chance Fox. I'm an intuitive confidence coach, and I coach professional women who are trying to maneuver their lost confidence from a toxic workplace, specifically, usually a toxic manager, administration, something to that effect. I was called to create this series because I've been there, done that, and so have a lot of my clients that I work with. So if you are in that place of second guessing your decisions or shrinking yourself in rooms that you should be owning, wondering how you got there, questioning your own work after years of putting in the hard work and dedication, and you know that you know your stuff, you know you're a good worker, but yet somebody is gotten into your head and started making you rethink that. You are not the only one. And let me tell you that it is not you. It is not you. So I want you to be honest with yourself, and I want you to feel seen and heard through this channel and through this series. And sometimes I ask you to journal. Sometimes I just talk. Sometimes I do a meditation. Maybe you can't quite name why you are feeling the way you're feeling. Maybe you're up at night. Maybe you're anxious. Maybe you're stressed. Maybe you're clenching your jaw. Maybe you have tension headaches. Been there, done that. It is not you. It is the situation that you are in. And I am here to help you maneuver it. And so when I post something, it is about naming specific behaviors of toxic bosses and toxic environments and how us that are high achievers, hard workers, creatives, who love our job and are passionate are sometimes the biggest targets of those beastie bosses, of those toxic environments. And I want to show you back, show you your path back to confidence. Okay. I've been an intuitive coach for several years, and confidence is the one thing that comes up time and time and time again with my clients, specifically when it comes around relationships and the workplace, not romantic relationships, but just workplace communication, bosses, etc. So if this resonates with you, I don't want you to miss the things that I am doing, so make sure you subscribe. And you are welcome to grab my free Confidence Boost workbook. And this will give you a better idea of the things that we might be doing here. It's a great first step of reconnecting with your confident you because it's still there. Someone's just making you questioning it for whatever reason. All right. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Hope you like. Check out the Confidence Boost workbook. It's free for you. It's an immediate download. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you back here.